Dana, and I will show you how to remove a tire and tube. Start by releasing the brakes and removing the front wheel. Use two tire levers near to each other and far from the air valve. Insert one end of each tire lever to hook the tire and pull them towards the center of the wheel to pull the edge of the tire off the wheel. Next, move the tire levers around the tire in opposite directions until one edge of the tire is removed. Finally, pull the tube out of the tire. A tire should grip the road and absorb shocks. If the tire has enough air, it protects against punctures and should be easier to ride. Over time, the rubber of the tire wears down. If you can see the fibers under the rubber, or if there are rips or deep cracks, this can lead to an explosion, so you should replace the tire immediately. With a little air in the tube, put half the tire onto the wheel. And the tube into the tire. Start to put the second half of the tire onto the wheel. As this becomes more difficult, squeezing the tire in can help. Finally, put the wheel into the frame and tighten it well. Don't forget to connect the brakes.